Okay, guys, I'm on my way to the airport now. You know, understand? And what I've really tell you, see, for the past 4 days now, bro, I never really rest. Day for yesterday, I went to Lagos, came back to that state yesterday for a show, and see the gift to be people give me. People love me so much. You not be saying I'm carry talk. You know, understand? So another one for here again. Never see bag of money what they carry for me. See bosses. Why? You know they ask us, say why be say my clothes they always they get label. Now I guess they dash me all these things. You know that, so you need to build your life to that point to be say you're always very, very busy. See gift pack. You know understand? You're always very, very busy. As I do here like this now, I'm a very, very busy man. And I always they collect doggy. So that at the end of the day, you don't have prostrate cancer at old age. You understand this things matters. But many of them go say, hey, all those things don't matter. I don't put my life to that point to be say I'm very, very busy now. Women they create time for me. And that's time they pray for everybody. You as a young boy when they watch this video. You know, so we thank God for life. Here we there now, and I'm going to the airport to go and fly as usual because these days even we still not fly reach me. You know understand? So we thank God for that position of life. And list of people you need to avoid in life. Anybody wey fit say to travel by air na luxury, that person na poor person. You know understand? Air flight na means of transportation, not be luxury. Because maybe they travel, you they enjoy. I know they see all these things as enjoyment. And they see them as my normal way of life. Just like the way you go see enter Geh Geh, you enter bike, you enter Okada, na so flight still be. So if you in this 2025, if you say to enter flight na luxury, that's a poverty mentality, and you need to avoid those type of people. You know understand? So let's see how it goes. Okay, you can cut.
And remember, like and subscribe. Smash that button now.